Rushmore National Memorial.
If it's a open during the week.
If what?
I mean during the winter.
I don't know.
We're on 244 right now.
Right, so when we come out, we're going that way. When we come back, we're going on that road right there.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
244 straight ahead, so you don't really turn, you just
Go on.
Rushmore's 2 miles up. I don't know what speed it is. It was 35, so. Well, now he's going to accelerate.
35.
Yeah. Well, he was going really slow, and then he decided to speed up.
So, are we going to Mount Rushmore now?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, cool.
We're just going to do it different than we were going to do it before. So
Okay, baby.
basically, you're going to go kind of opposite. I like that color right there.
That red?
Oh, it's my bike flipped.
Yeah.
You see where they went? You can see there it is, right there.
Oh, cool. How exciting. Okay, so I'm more excited than I thought I was going to be. That's a historical monument. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
And the guy that was saying that it was way smaller than, you know, he was expecting. It was amazing.
Well, I mean, I don't know what you're expecting. That's pretty freaking big. It's pretty impressive. I can tell you that.
Well, I think the problem for him was that he was not very close to it.
Well, so we'll see what the park's like, but a lot of people don't go in.
Yeah. Well, I need to stop and take a picture with. Oh, that's neat. That's neat.
That is
Ah, that's so cool. Hauling a couple bikes.
Got all kinds of people here.
Oh, yeah. Be careful, baby.
What's coming out?
Get in the middle lane.
I mean, this is actually probably the best view right here. Right?
Yeah, pull over if you can. Yep. Not supposed to do this, but oh well. I'm almost. Yep. I'm not as parallel as you are. Wow. Whoa, honey.
That was weird.
Are you okay?
No, it's fine, but it just was deeper than I thought. That's pretty awesome. You got a picture of Daddy?
Yeah, hang on just a second.
Alright, watch yourself.
Smile, baby.
Cool. Ow. Cracked my shin hard, too. So, am I going to need to help you get up?
I don't know. I don't think so.
As much as I am.
Yeah, I tried to go like that.
I did too, but I don't know. First I was trying to be straight.
That's pretty fucking amazing.
to be really careful. One, for vehicles, but also for
Yeah. Just
tilt.
we'll just take our time.
Okay.
Are you gonna take
Bobby.
a picture of me?
I can, yeah. I'm following you. There's
Yep.
there. Well, here, get over here with me.
I don't think we could do that. Here, I'll get on this side. Get it in the background. Oh shit, where is it? There it is.
I don't know.
Okay.
I got some.
You got some?
Why don't you get ready, get yourself on.
Okay.
If I need to, I'll hook you up.
Okay.
Be really careful, you got ball bearings under your feet.
Okay, honey.
No, when it started to go over, I knew my kickstand was down, but it was like, shit, there's way further over than I thought it was going to be. Alright, get out of this fucking bus here. Everybody's done so much shit we are. Got it? Got it?
Yep.
Okay, and ball bearings.
We gotta wait for traffic, babe.
I know. I gotta get it up. I gotta get it up, baby. Boom. Got it.
And there's people get right behind me getting on.
Yeah, I know. Couple bikes, they're probably gonna go. Oh, the other way too. Ready?
Yep.
We got a black bike.
After the black bike. Okay, go.
Stop it. Okay, that was kind of sketchy.
Just a little. Kind of sketchy. Ball bearings slanted uphill to the side. And fucking a shit ton of people. Yeah, it is. That's sweet.
We gotta go left.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep. Awesome.
Oh, green. That's pretty freaking impressive.
Yeah. That's awesome. So, before coming up here, I thought Crazy Horse was right in the same area.
No, it's actually pretty far over.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
we continue on and then take a left, you go down to Crazy Horse, but you want to do the needle thing.
Yes, I do.
So we'll go this way.
Okie dokie. Okay, watch out for people.
Watch out for people. Oh my god, that's a bright bike. Yikes.
Oh my gosh, that breeze feels good through there. Hey, there's a guy on the shoulder.
I'm looking for people who want to dart across and shit. He might be one of them. Just right there. Dude, I don't know what speed. I think it's 35.
Okay.
Yeah, 35.
Woohoo.
You can totally see why they did it here, though.
Oh yeah.
Rock shapes and stuff. That is really cool. That's pretty cool.
It's way more exciting than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, and it's such a beautiful setting here for it too.
Yeah. It kind of, you know, when you hear the national anthem and you kind of tear up and you get that funny feeling in your heart and your belly, it's the same thing.
Got a neat plug in there. Some tiny dead thing or something just crawled in my eyeball.
Oh.
I'm sure I just drowned it with my tears. That was irritating.
Is it Bernie?
It was just irritating.
Irritating.
Irritating there.
outside of their vehicle.
Pretty weird things.
Yes, they are.
There's Kenny's leg.
Kenny, 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 Kenny.